Hello everyone, Bethany here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for you from a kit that I bought from a charity auction. Every May is Lupus Awareness Month, and this past May, two amazing YouTubers, Paula of Diamond Painting Camper and Mindy of Mindy's Diamond Moment, had an event which was called Purple DP for Lupus. I will link their channels in the description box below. Be sure to check them out. This event was to work on a diamond painting with purple in it and to raise lupus awareness. Since I have lupus myself, this was an event that was dear to me. They had a donation page as well as an auction to raise funds. The event raised a total of just over $2,200, which I believe went to Lupus Foundation of America. Are you ready to see what I got during the auction? This is a Diamond Art Club canvas, and the name of it is Halloween Nighttime. The dimensions are 18.5 inches by 18.5 inches or 47 centimeters by 47 centimeters. So it is completely square. I believe that this is a discontinued piece. So I have no idea what I'm going to find inside of here actually, because I have never seen this piece before, nor can I go on their website to get the information. It is a round diamonds do-it-yourself diamond art kit. The box looks the same as any of the other boxes that I've seen. It has the kit contents on the back. Lists how to do diamond painting. Alright, so we have their bigger sticker sheet, which has the canvas information on it, as well as a picture of what it's going to look like. This one has 16 colors. This is the miniature sticker. Toolkit. It says round toolkit on the front, and it has a magic applicator, a comfort grip, wax pad ×2, craft tray, and multi-placer. There's the magic applicator. There is the baggies. Oh, it didn't mention those on the outside, but there are baggies in there. The wax pads, the grip, the tray, and hidden inside here is the multi-placer. It is a 4-placer. Very nice. The kit comes wrapped in a plastic protective sleeve. Now I do believe there is a special thing about this kit. I hear that it has glow in the dark drills. Here is step-by-step instructions that comes with all of the Diamond Art Club canvases. These are the drills, very Halloween. And this is the canvas. Very cool. There's a lot of 310 black drills. Let's take a look at the drills. So yeah, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages of 310s, a 741, a 3371, which is a very dark brown, a 740, a 742, a 938, a 947, a 300, a 400, an 898, a 726, E742. I think that must be the glow-in-the-dark one. It's orange. I didn't quite expect that. A 900, a 444, a 301, and a 445. So lots of oranges, some browns, and lots of black. On the canvas, you have at the top Do What Makes You Sparkle Diamond Art Club, which is their name and logo. On the upper left-hand corner, you have the name of the canvas and the size. You have the thumbnail and the color list. At the bottom, you have their social media information. Lifetime warranty, and then on the bottom right hand side you have the color list and code. So on this canvas you have a haunted house, 4 pumpkins, a bunch of bats, a spooky tree, quite a few spooky trees, a beautiful harvest moon. Alright, so this E742 is a glow-in-the-dark drill, and according to the chart it is A. The symbol is an A. So it's going to be here in the windows of the mansion and in the faces of the pumpkins. How exciting. I am so thrilled to have gotten this piece. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun to do. There is a lot of black. I don't mind it with rounds because you can't see the lines and stuff in the background. I think on squares with when there's a bunch of black, it's easy to see the gapping and stuff, but with rounds you don't have that problem, and I personally don't mind doing large areas of one color. It's very relaxing in its own sort of way. How many of you guys out there have done this kit? What were your thoughts about it? Did you enjoy it? How do the glow-in-the-dark diamonds look? Do they glow really well? With being orange, I can't imagine the glow is very bright, but I'd love to know. Leave me a comment down below. I would be happy to hear from you with anything that you have to say about it. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.